This morning I'm going to work on this end of this chicken house and see if I can get this wall situated. This project is at a standstill until I can get the ginormous rock out of here and get a big enough little trench up next to that bottom nailer board and put some wire down. And when I can do that, then I'll go on the inside and take those boards off the inside and bring them out and put them out on the outside, and I have more boards to put over them. But the rock is killing me. Why, yes, there is a big stinky buck in the back of my minivan. That is a big stinking rock. There's my glove for perspective. Holy moly. Yeehaw! Woohoo! We have cream. You got? You are goofy. Huh? What? You're so funny. That is not a ball. No, that's not a ball. That's a coyote gourd, dude. I can't imagine that it tastes that good. You are so silly. Now that we got all that cream, it's butter making time. I'm just hoping that this ancient mixture that is older than me holds up to the task. Alright, this morning's job is to try and finish up out here on this chicken house and get it secure from the rodents, at least along the bottom. And that will also prevent things from digging in. And then I can move some birds maybe before this rainstorm comes in. To get inside there and clean up the trash and muck this out a little bit. And then I can probably be ready for chickens. If nothing else, I can always just staple some plastic over the outside if we're too drafty and I don't get this all done before it gets real cold. So, but that's all I have time for today. Well, not much over here. A couple of eggplants and 3 little lemon spice jalapenos. All the other eggplants are too tiny to pick. They're really little. I think I'm gonna come explore the pumpkin jungle. Some parts of the vines are looking okay, but these out here are looking kind of sad. And we are gonna be pretty cold as we go along the next couple of weeks, so I'm just gonna probably pick all the pumpkins. This is the pen of the youngest pullets. This is just some miscellaneous egg layers that I picked up last spring. Like March of 2024, and these 7 girls have all started laying. In a lot of days I get 7 eggs out of 7 girls. Good job, girls. Hi, and welcome to Farmer Friday. Just getting ready to milk Esmeralda, and I've already put up a lot of clips. Lots of exciting stuff going on around here this week. Yeah, we've made huge messes in the kitchen separating milk with a hand cranked cream separator that was loaned to me. And then A couple of days later, I used the cream to make a batch of butter and made another mess. Not quite as big as the first one, though. And we got Berserker Bentley moved up to my friend's place for a few weeks. Gives me a little time to get things situated here so that I can have a better place for him where he's not going to be so bothered by having another boy next door. Though I'm done breeding because I'm pretty sure that Bambi and Pinto Bean probably took, and we should have kids in 5 months. Not a lot going on in the garden right now. I've just been overwhelmed with so many other things to do. I'm trying to make repairs and improvements to my big chicken house so that I can move some girls that are in 2-3 other pens up there, and also make it a little less rodent friendly, which means it will be less snake friendly. 7 rattlesnakes this summer was just, nah, we're done there. The weather's cooling off. It was 31 degrees yesterday morning when I was out here milking. Today was pretty nice. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the slideshow and the video clips from this week. I will link pertinent videos down in the description, like cream separating and butter making and things like that. Be sure to hang around next week for Harvest Monday and see how much all those pumpkins weighed. I haven't weighed them yet, so I don't even know. And we'll catch y'all next time. Have a great week, guys.